My name is Isha Blugin, and I'm a civil engineer with the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers Buffalo District. We're here at Barcelona Harbor in Westfield, New York, performing maintenance dredging on the Federal Navigation Channel. Over time, sediment builds up and creates shallow areas in the channel and around the breakwater, making it difficult for vessels to navigate safely. To restore safe navigation and authorized depths, we're removing 80,000 cubic yards of material from the channel, entrance to the harbor, and shoaling from the harbor's west breakwater. The dredged material is being placed offshore at a designated open lake placement site. This maintenance keeps the harbor functional and safe for boaters, and is part of our ongoing commitment to maintaining navigation infrastructure across the Great Lakes.